All right, so in this case, I have a web page, and it is the parent page of this is evaluations question list, which means that on this content there is a list of items coming from a CMS collection called evaluations that I've created. And so what we have in here in this template is a topper that previews content on this page. So we have some words here, and then I've already set up the repeater, which is connected. You can tell it has this little graphic here and here, so that it's pulling the items from the evaluation collection and dropping them in the order that they are listed in that list. So let's look at that together. We're going to manage content, evaluation questions, and then inside this, it has the title, which won't change or appear on the web page, the question and the answer, and they're in this order. And I can drag and drop to reorder the questions or make any changes I need to. When it says mirror on site, it means that everywhere that this is used, it's going to be in the order that we have it listed here. So, excuse me. So the repeater is set up, it's formatted properly, it has the information that I want it to have. And what I would need to do now is to make sure that this section on the page is aligning with this. So what this is it's an in-page menu, which I got by going to add elements and then to, where was it? Menu and anchor in-page menu. So I have that here, and I want to show you how to adjust and edit this. So I'm going to go to Manage Menu, and this is where I would change the language. So I know the first one is, what is an autism evaluation? And then I would scroll down and look at the second one and say, who can give an autism evaluation? And then the third one, and so on. But I'm noticing here that these little icons are different. So this one is the one we want. This is called an anchor. And this is a section because we don't have multiple sections on this page. A section is this here. But you would go to new and then here, actually it's add section, but we don't want to add any sections. So I need to remove those items and I need to add a new anchor. So anchor 1, I want to go to what is an autism evaluation. So I'm actually going to rename that. What is an autism evaluation? And now it's assigned that here. And then when I go up to this section, manage menus, now there are 2. So I'm going to remove that first one. And I'm interested, I don't know yet how to remove them from here, but it may not be possible. So I also need to uncheck here where it says who can give an autism evaluation because that's also connected to a section. So we're going to add another new anchor and it drops it in here and we're going to rename it and it should be who can give an autism evaluation. Okay, so right now it would take me right back to this one. So I'm going to click away so I can grab this. Oh, sorry, that's the wrong one. I can grab this one and I can drag it down to where it starts. So you want it to be a little bit above the actual text so that when it loads in the page, it loads properly. And then I'm going to repeat this for each question that's in here, but I'm not going to show all of that to you in this video. Let's see, design. This is where I would customize and change anything I need to change design-wise, but I like how it's designed. Layout, that's not going to be where it is. And then, let's see, manage menu. Okay, let's preview it and see what it does. So if I go to what is an autism evaluation, it won't, okay, I have to publish it first to be able to see that work. And just a note, it's published, view site, evaluation help. I had to refresh it to make sure it was not showing me the site that most recently had saved. Who can give an autism evaluation, and then it drops me to that page. A note about this is that when you are working with mobile, those existing anchors don't work. So I will make a separate video on how to add anchors on mobile. Okay, I did quickly want to show you, I jumped back into editor. If I make this smaller, it brings those closer together. So you can change the layout there. It can be helpful to make sure that these are underlined so that people understand that they can click them. And I think on mobile, that's very clear. But again, that's a separate video.